the first experience in next era communication, motorcycle communication. This is the most coolest box I have seen in a long time. That is so good. This is the main unit. First let's get rid of that. This is the main unit. We'll come to that later. Let's check this one. This one is a joystick which you can put it on your bike and navigate through maybe calls, accepting calls, increasing the volume or whatever it is. So this is for that, and this can be mounted on your motorbike on the handlebar.
Yeah, Justin Diamond, Alvin, let's go. Yeah. I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Skybree, she got a body, ayy. And she be
Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel Pune Motorcycle Club. And today I have just received a parcel from Bluarmor, and the packaging is really nice. I think, yes, of course, it is the intercom from Bluarmor. So we had availed the buddy offer, which my friend had a Bluarmor C30. He availed it, so that is when we got the Bluarmor C50 Pro right before my ride to Ooty. So that is one of the best things. And also I'm going to do an unboxing video of this, and also I'm going to compare a little bit with my previous intercom that I had, that is the ASG. And also I'm going to go through those YouTube videos that they have provided for installing the Bluarmor, because it's going to be a little hectic what I have seen till so far. I saw one guy having the Bluarmor installed, the C50 Pro installed, so I asked him about his reviews. So it was like, he was like that it was his first ride itself, so he couldn't judge a lot about it, or he couldn't say a lot about it. However, he said it is far better than the C30 or the other intercoms there in the market, because of, first of all, the sound quality and ease of access, which the C30 lagged. I opted for the ASG SG05 just because of one thing, was the jog dial it had. Because of the jog dial, it made my life much more easier to accept, to reject calls, to increase the volume, decrease the volume, to connect with other riders as well. But one thing that I didn't like about ASG was the charging port that it gave. The charging port that ASG has is a normal, I think this is a B-type port that it has. Not sure if you can see it, but yeah, it is a B-type port that it has. So that is one bad thing, because if you lose that, you need to get a B-type port from any of those electronic stores, because now all the electronics have a C-type charging, so you get that easily in your house, but ASG does not have that. Second thing is the speaker quality it's not as good as the Bluarmor C30 or C50 Pro, as a matter of fact. And third is the connection range is a little less on the ASG, but C30 had a better connection because of mesh technology. ASG had a Bluetooth technology. So these are the basic things, but the only thing that I loved about ASG was the ease of access, and because of which I bought the ASG over the Bluarmor C30. Both were priced at 11,000 the time 1 year back when I had bought my ASG. And this is the small box that Bluarmor gave, sellotape all around. Cool. Oh my god, look at that. This is so cool. C50 Pro Ride Connect Bond Bluetooth 5.3, Ride Aura, MacDock, Ride Grip 2.0, and it is tested by Blue. That's what is written. And if you can see out here, everything is written on these things, which is really nice. And also it has Ride Grip 2.0, then 360-degree app for complete control, waterproof IP67, 16 hours battery life, wireless stick, easy control, that is wireless stick you will get on your, you can put that on your bike, the handlebar. Then second phone, action cam, cluster, GPS, radar. So you can connect it with the second phone as well. You can connect with an action cam as well while vlogging. 2 levels of wind noise filter. That's crazy. It's magnetic docking behind on your helmet, and 1.2 kilometers of line of sight, LOS range, that is line of sight range. Mesh plus phone merging. music sharing over mesh. This is one of the greatest thing, is music sharing over mesh. So if I'm listening to my music, my kind of song, I can make others also listen to that song, so it makes it much better. But I would really recommend not to do that while on the highways, because your attention should be on the highways and not on the music. You can put music but on a lower volume. So I really like all of this. I like the packaging. So what is included in the box? So guys, this is all the contents that you get. The main piece, the dock, the speakers, the mic, the clickable, adjustable, this is T-stick, T-stick, which you can put it on your bike. Then the left stickable one. Then this is a click dock cable, harness, Mac dog, rear and flap, speaker spaces and foamers, T-stick Velcro, strap mount, charging kit, and another mic and one more dock, and the Velcro, the pouches. So these are all the contents. So now we'll get on to the main thing, that is how to fix this on the helmet. So I have my KYT helmet right here, KYT R2R Pro, and I was waiting to get this mounted on. I was waiting for the ASG, but they didn't have a speaker and mic set. Luckily my C50 Pro came on time, so I can dock this on my KYT R2R Pro. That is great. So let's get on to it. So that's how it is. तो ये जो है बटन, ये इधर आ जाएगा, ये साइड पे मैंने अभी तक चिपकाया नहीं है. देन द माइक इज़ राइट हियर, देयर इट इज़. उसके बाद द हार्नेस आई हैव नॉट येट पुट इट इन, द राइट एंड द लेफ्ट स्पीकर्स, एंड ये ब्लू विथ ब्लू, रेड विथ रेड. एंड इधर जो है तुम्हारे बैक साइड पे C50 का ये इधर आ जाएगा. सो आई मीन विथ दैट, विथ दिस. नाउ इसको लगाने के लिए, टू जस्ट पुट दिस आउट, व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू राइट नाउ इज़ जस्ट शो यू. ये आता है. सो दिस विल गो इनसाइड दैट, लाइक दिस. इट्स फिट. ये तुम्हारा आ जाएगा इधर पीछे ऐसा. सो इफ यू कैन सी, इट्स राइट हियर. ये आ जाएगा पीछे तुम्हारा. दिस विल गो इनसाइड लाइक दैट, and this part will be attached to your harness like that. I am not fitting it right now. पहले we will check out उसका speaker, the quality of the sound. पहले वो check कर लेते हैं. Now this will directly go into that. ये light चालू हो गया. I can hear battery full. My God. Now we will play some music. It's bassy. It is very bassy. It's very nice. अभी के लिए इसको बंद कर देते हैं. Let's see. इसको पहले इंस्टॉल करते हैं. Then again we'll come back to the sound. I will just. So this has a clickable thing. You have to click, and then only you'll have to remove this. Not just remove it directly. Click it. Okay. तो ये वाला हार्नेस भी अपन कर देंगे. आई मीन पहले हार्नेस लगा देते हैं, देन वील पुट द डॉक. सो अभी हार्नेस का देखते हैं किधर लगाना है. आई विल शो यू वंस आई पुट ऑल ऑफ दोज वायर्स इन. मुझे देखने तो ये किधर तक आता है पहले तो भी. ओके, सो इट इज जस्ट गोना कम टिल हियर. I think I'll have to dock this first, of course. Then I'll put in the harness. It depends कि ये जो मेन चीज़ है वो किधर तक आता है. I'll have to get that thing out first. तो इसको पहले तो भी निकाल देते हैं. इसको इधर. There it is. It has been docked. It has been stuck to my helmet. That's it. That is done. and you can remove this. This is fit. इधर भी एक click ये आता है. You just have to do that. You can remove this, and again same thing. You just have to put that back on the same way you had removed it. मेरे इसमें सिर्फ एक प्रॉब्लम आएगा is that ये बीच में आ सकता है, but it's okay. I've put that in. Now I'll just connect it to the harness, and then I will fit the harness inside. And also हाँ, I'll have to fit this also. तो मैं इसको भी एक बार फिट कर लेता हूँ किधर तो जिधर अपने को अच्छा खासा ये मिलेगा उधर. Remove the 3M tape and एक बार का fit that. So this is where I fit that thing on my left side. This is on the back, and now main thing is ये जो है harness is gonna go inside. So अभी इसका एक root निकालते हैं, and then I will stick that out.
1 hour later.
Finally, it has now been installed nicely and properly. एकदम मस्त install हो गया है ये. As you can see, C50, this thing, and अंदर की speaker वगैरह सब कुछ set हो चुके हैं. Yes, it was a heck of a job to install all of that. थोड़ा बहुत time लग गया है. But speaker is really nice. Great. Speaker quality is amazing. Fitting this was a heck of a job, but yes, we did it. This looks super cool. Looks like some Iron Man shit. And I'll just close the light and show you how much does it. There it is. See. Put this back on.
Battery 90%.
That is some cool thing, man. That's really cool. Let's switch on the light again. Just wanted to show you some more things. These are the charging cables that you get with it. This is not a charging cable. This one is for that. This, if you want to put this one, you can put this. If you want to put the magnetic one, you can put the magnetic one. This is the charging cable that you have to use for your to charge your device. Now, to charge your device, you need to unplug this from here. This will go inside. Nope, it won't. That's why they've given something like that. You fit this inside that. Remove the top part of it. And now place that out there. And charge it with this C2C. Yeah, they've given that. That's how you charge. You shouldn't charge with the pod given out here. This is not a charging pod. This is just magnetic to keep, just to connect your Bluarmor and to start it. But this is how you'll charge it with this cable, this handy device. So you'll have to long press on this button right here, this one, and then for pairing you need to click and then hold the center button. It will be paired with this. Now the best thing is you can, yes, you can do that. You can pause, play music. You can also increase the volume or change the song. Decrease the volume. Increase the volume. Yes, that's what you can do. You can also reject and accept calls with this. So tomorrow is the testing day. So I'm going to test this tomorrow while going to the office. So let's see how it works out, but I hope it works out really well. That's it from my side, the installation and unboxing video from my side, and we will meet you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, sayonara.
That Molly, yeah, yeah. yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Scotty, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Scotty, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah.